first, economic data just crossing the tape. Rick Santelli has that for us. Rick?
Yes, now we're going to switch gears from S&P Global's PMIs in manufacturing to ISM. And the headline number better than expected. Expecting a number below 49, it comes in at 49. 49 equals where we were in March of this year. To find a higher number, you'd have to go to February. So basically, this is the highest level since February. And if we look at prices paid, so sequentially higher also on headline. Prices paid, we'd rather have that go down, but it is going up. And like the headline, it's sequentially higher than the rearview mirror, and it's 69.7 higher than we were expecting. That's the highest going back to April of this year. And prices paid being higher has a whiff of inflation attached to it. On the new orders front, 46.4. This is sequentially lower, weakest since March. Employment on a big week where we're going to have two employment reports, sequentially lower, much lower than expected. We were looking for a number over 47. We end up with 45, weakest number since March. Now, let's go to construction. This is a May number, minus 0.3%. We were expecting a minus number, so that makes this the fourth consecutive negative read. We started out the year positive 1/10, and we've been sliding. Doesn't look good on the construction front, although last month's minus 0.4 gets cut in half to minus 0.2, but negative nonetheless. And finally, maybe the most important number of the morning, job opening, labor turnover for May, always 2 months in arrears. We're looking for a number around 7.3 million, much better. 7,769,000, much better than we were looking for, and that would be the highest pace of the year. You'd have to go to November of last year when we were slightly over 8 million jobs. And in the rearview mirror, we actually had a subtle positive revision as well. That's going to keep interest rates a bit on the firm side because, of course, the Fed's just assuming that the labor market is going to continue on a glide path lower. This does negate some of that. Sarah, back to you.
Okay, Rick, that is very interesting, again, because we were expecting a much lower number on job openings. Rick Santelli.